Passive income ideas. 20 ways to make money while you sleep. Are you tired of trading your time for money? In this video, I'll reveal 20 lucrative passive income ideas that allow you to make money even while you sleep. Discover various online and offline strategies to create streams of passive income that will help you achieve financial freedom and enjoy life on your terms. From digital assets to real estate investments, these ideas have the potential to generate continuous income without constant effort. Get ready to build your passive income empire and start earning money passively. Dividend stocks. Invest in companies that pay dividends to shareholders regularly. As a shareholder, you receive a portion of the company's profits as income. High-yield savings accounts. Park your money in savings accounts with higher interest rates to earn passive income from the interest earned. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms, earning interest on the loans you provide. Rental properties. Purchase real estate properties and earn passive income through rental payments from tenants. Digital products. Create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or software, allowing you to earn money without physical inventory or continuous effort. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services of others and earn commissions for every sale or lead generated through your affiliate links. Print on demand. Design custom merchandise and sell it through print-on-demand platforms, which handle production and shipping on your behalf. YouTube ads. Monetize your YouTube videos by enabling ads, earning money based on the number of ad views and clicks. Royalties from music or art. If you're a musician, artist, or content creator, you can earn royalties from the usage of your work in various media. Create an app or software. Develop and sell apps or software that provide value to users, generating income without your active involvement. Stock photography. Sell your photos to stock photography websites, where they can be licensed by individuals or businesses for various purposes. Dropshipping. Start an online store and partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping, allowing you to sell products without stocking them yourself. Automated niche websites. Build niche websites that attract traffic and generate ad revenue or affiliate sales automatically. Investing in REITs. Invest in real estate investment trusts, which own and operate income-generating properties, offering dividends to investors. Automated trading systems. Use algorithmic trading systems to automate investment decisions and potentially generate passive income from trading. Licensing your ideas or inventions. Earn royalties by licensing your intellectual property, such as patents, trademarks, or unique ideas. ATM machine ownership. Invest in ATM machines and earn passive income from the transaction fees users pay when withdrawing cash. Create a subscription box service. Curate and deliver subscription boxes with products tailored to your audience, generating recurring revenue. Vending machines. Purchase and operate vending machines that dispense snacks, drinks, or other items, earning passive income from sales. Passive real estate investing. Invest in real estate projects or properties through crowdfunding platforms or partnerships, earning a share of the profits. Remember, while these passive income ideas can generate money while you sleep, they often require upfront effort, research, and investment. It's essential to choose the options that align with your interests, skills, and financial goals for the best chance of success.